Hey everyone, welcome back again. So we are here back again at Bloc Camp Site, and today it's September 9. September 8 was yesterday actually. It was Bloc Camp Site's third year anniversary, so we were invited again for the second week in a row by Sir Eno. And yeah, today we just flew a couple of packs, and I got stuck in that tree. Not sure if you can see that. I got stuck in that tree, but thankfully I was able to get it out. So one of the key skills that you're going to need when you're flying your mini quads is to learn how to climb a tree and be resourceful about finding sticks or something to get your quad out of that tree. But yeah, that was a very fun flight. I just spent like 3 or 4 packs today just flying around the campsite, and I think this might be a good place to host a race in the future. So what do you guys think?
What happened?
Huh?
What happened?
So yeah, after I crashed my quad in the tree. Sige, dito lang naman ako. So after I crashed my quad in the tree, I flew that pack a little bit more, and as I was doing a power loop here after these tents, yeah, I lost a video signal, so I didn't know what was happening until whoop, the quad was in the water. So we tried swimming for it, but the water is a bit cloudy, it's a bit muddy, so me and those fishermen will continue trying to find or to recover the quad, so maybe we can still salvage some things out of that. But yeah, this is what happens when you're in this hobby, especially when you're flying near water. So I guess it's a good experience, it's a good first experience, but yeah, if in case I don't get to recover anything, probably gonna quit. No, just joking. Maybe, I don't know. We'll have to build a new one.
Hiwalay nga ito, napong ako nakahiwalay na yan eh.
Hiwalay na yan, okay lang yan. Mas maganda nga yan eh. Susot na lang ito ng tubig. So we got the quad, and we're gonna see. Ouch. Sakit. So ang Larry over there recovered the quad, and at least we can salvage maybe some things from this quad. At least the frame, the motors are probably going to be good. Not sure about the battery, not sure about the flight controller. We'll have to find out. This XSR, this is waterproof treated, so I'm sure that's gonna be good. But yeah, we're probably going to have to wash this off with clean water, fresh water or distilled water, and then dry it off with some alcohol. But yeah, it's a good day. I wasn't able to to show you much about the Bloc campsite itself last week and also this week. So maybe I think I want to show you around. So first of all, that is basically where over that tent before beyond. Oh, sorry, yeah, around here was where my quad fell, and that is where they were able to recover it. So we'll just let it dry. I'm just gonna clean that up and then apply some corrosion next, and then let's see if Shara can still fly with minimal part replacement. So let me show you first around the Bloc campsite. So here at the Bloc campsite is the beautiful Shara Lake, and here are some of the tents that are that you can rent here at the Bloc campsite, and these are the teepees. These are good for like couples. All of the tents here are made for glamping, so they have air beds and everything, fans. So all of the nice creature comforts are all there. So even if you are camping, it will be like it's glamorous camping or glamping. So it's going to be a very comfortable experience. So you can also rent some paddle boards over there, and they have kayaks. They have little boats that you can rent, and you can go further down the lake. It is the floating dock where you can have a nice romantic dinner date. This is one of the tents, the deluxe tents, and this is one of the tents that we stayed in. So you have your lawn chairs over there if you want to lounge around, and again, you have your air mattress, your fans. So it's a very, very comfortable experience. Now these are the deluxe tents, but you can also get one of these other tents, which are also very spacious. These are just standard dome tents, but again, all of the creature comforts, the amenities, air mattresses, all of them are decked out with that. And it's really pretty. It's very beautiful here at night. Maybe I can just show you some pictures of the photos that we took last night. This is the star of the show last night, and this is a prefabricated tent that starting with a Glamping by Bloc platform. You can actually purchase one of this for around 300,000 right now. It's a franchise system, so when you get this, Sir Eno and their team will go to your location and train you. Obviously, this comes with a package, and you can, if you are a property owner or if you're a resort owner, then that is something that you can get. That's a plug and play business right there. Let me show you a little bit more. Unfortunately, I can't show you the inside because someone else is staying inside there. But yeah, this one comes with all of that: the hammock, the platform, and the whole tent itself. So that one comes as a whole package with the training and the system and the platform. And everyone who gets one of these, or gets, you can have a couple of these in one location, obviously. So obviously, if you have more than one, then that generates more revenue, especially if you're fully booked for the weekend. These are all going to be part of the Glamping by Bloc platform. It's like the Uber of glamping. I just wanted to talk about this. It's a really great concept, and if only I had some spare land to spare, probably I could get one, have a Bloc campsite myself. But yeah, do check it out. I'm just gonna post the links in the description below, and yeah, if you're a resort owner, if you own some land and you want to turn that into an asset, then this is a very, very cheap investment. 300,000 is nothing. I mean, you can get 300,000. You can just get a stall for French fries. For one of those, I think showmaking probably costs more, but this one you get that whole thing. And that comes with the whole package, yeah. So please check it out. It's in the description below. So we're about to leave the Bloc campsite in a couple of minutes. So maybe I'll just post an update if I can revive Shara. I'm sure she'll be fine. The motors will be fine, but we'll see if the flight controller is still working. All right. Peace out.
Sino man sila
Right, so I just wanted to share a quick update. Yesterday, I dropped Shara into the lake, into Lake Shara, ironically, Shara Lake. So today I'm still here at the Bloc Camp Site. Actually, I came back early this morning. So yeah, so I've got Shara over here. I disassembled it and right now I just checked all of the parts if they were dry, and I was quite sure that the motors were going to be okay after just drying it a bit. But so I first tried plugging in the flight controller into Betaflight, and it worked. So I tried one by one all of the components, and amazingly none of the parts were actually broken, even though they were submerged for I think for at least half an hour in that lake, or maybe even an hour. So until Mang Larry, who was their staff here at the camp, was able to fish. Actually, it was his son was able to fish Shara out of the lake. So you all know what that means. It means I'm going to be just charging up my batteries, just gonna give this a little bit of cleanup. I was initially planning to do some waterproofing with Corrosion X, and if you want to know how to waterproof your quad, I do have a video about that, and I'm just going to link that somewhere here. Maybe here, I'm not really sure. So anyway, I'm going to link to that video, so do check that out. In the meantime, I'm going to get my batteries charged, and it's time to actually try this out. But the motors were working. I tested the receiver. It was communicating perfectly with my QX7. The video was transmitting to the goggles, so there's nothing else to do but wait for my batteries to charge and then just fly this thing. So anyway, that has been it for this weekend, guys. I hope you had fun with this video. If you like this video, click on the like button and make sure to subscribe. And in the meantime, I hope I can leave you with some flight footage here at Bloc Camp Site. In the meantime, keep building and keep flying.